In 2020, Uniswap decentralized trade was at the focal point of the promotion around decentralized finance, DeFi. The stage sent off its local digital money, Uniswap, UNI, in September 2020. The symbolic cost blast, and in 2 or 3 days, UNI previously was in the main 40 digital forms of money by market capitalization. What is the fate of UNI digital money, and what is a potential Uniswap cost expectation? Figure out in this video. What is Uniswap? Uniswap decentralized trade was at first delivered in November 2018. The stage is a DApp in light of the Ethereum blockchain, which empowers the trading of Ether to an assortment of ERC20 tokens. Uniswap boosts liquidity suppliers by giving them commission charges. Uniswap digital money was sent off in 2020 and presently is utilized for casting a ballot rights, crucial turns of events. In 2021, the UNI token began its presentation stunningly, alongside the entire digital money market. In January, UNI's cost was just $5, and before the month's over, this figure moved to $20. The symbolic cost came to the $30 point as of now toward the finish of February. You can follow the Uniswap cost changes live in the gadget underneath. Why did the Uniswap project blast a year ago? The above all else reasons are the stage's ease of use and joining with the MetaMask wallet. Also, the clients are in full control of their confidential keys. The other DE's connection points were not quite as natural as the Uniswap's. So a computerized market creator has a publicly released code. There is no structure book or any delegates. That is the reason this decentralized stage makes the course of trade smooth and simple. Uniswap depends on the automated market maker, framework. Liquidity is made by pools with the ERC20 tokens. Liquidity suppliers charge a commission on each trade, 0.3%. These expenses are diverted to the pool's safe store. UNI holders get 0.05% on each commission, while liquidity suppliers get the leftover 0.25%. Uniswap isn't the primary task with yet it certainly promoted the advancement of this pairing, because of which other comparable conventions started to show up. Uniswap is a critical gas provider on the Ethereum network because of the various exchange expenses in this convention. Nonetheless, it turned into an issue recently. The Ethereum convention expenses became tremendous. However, the Ethereum group has previously been searching for an answer for the versatility issue. UNI technical analysis. The cost activity has been allegorical alongside the entire crypto market for the beyond couple of months. The rate development is normal since Uniswap is sending off the third rendition, Uniswap v3. As per the clients by means of the trading view stage, who are accountable for the Uniswap specialized examination, anticipate UNI token to be on the main 5 altcoins list this mid-year. They say that the individuals who contribute now get 3x benefit. Indeed, extremely bullish. Uniswap price prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Uniswap costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Uniswap will be $6.16. The greatest level that the UNI cost can reach is $7.05. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $6.45. UNI price forecast for September 2022. In view of the value variances of Uniswap toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical UNI pace of $6.01 in September 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $5.50 and at $6.19, separately. October 2022, Uniswap price forecast. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the UNI cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $5.91, while the most extreme could reach $6.49 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Uniswap may be around $6.20. UNI price forecast for November 2022. Crypto experts have actually looked at the value variances of Uniswap in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal UNI rate they foresee may be around $6.32 in November 2022. It can drop to $6.03 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $6.80. December 2022, Uniswap price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the UNI cost will be exchanged at $6.45 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Uniswap worth to $7.05. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $6.16 in December 2022. Uniswap price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Uniswap in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Uniswap will be around $14.69. The greatest expected UNI cost might be around $17.64. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $15.22 in 2023. Uniswap price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Uniswap, in 2024, UNI is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $21.08 and $25.69, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $21.69. Uniswap price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have broke down the costs of Uniswap and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base UNI cost could drop to $30.73, while its most extreme can reach $36.75. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $31.82. Uniswap price prediction 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Uniswap by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least UNI costs are normal in 2026, $53.39 and $44.07. Overall, it will be exchanged at $45.34. Uniswap price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the variances of Uniswap. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical UNI cost will be around $67.17. It could drop to at least $65.35, however it actually could reach $76.67 all through 2027. Uniswap price prediction 2028. Consistently, digital money specialists get ready estimates at the cost of Uniswap. It is assessed that UNI will be exchanged